Myself, Dr. Ashish Chandak, and you are watching channel Quick Engineering. The topic of today's video is myths and facts about software testing. So, in this video, we will see what are the myths and facts which are in people's mind about the software testing. So, first of all, we'll see what is the role of testing and objective of the testing. Then, we'll discuss the myths and facts. So, what is the role of testing? Testing is used to reduce the failure. So, through testing, we can remove as much as number of bugs from the software product and we can reduce the chances of failure. So, and the main role of testing is to deliver the quality software. So, when testing find the defect, these defects are repaired. Defects can be repaired through testing. Through testing, we can find out the defects, and these defects can be repaired. So, then what is the objective of the testing? The objective of the testing is to improve the quality of the product, to minimize the risk of the failure, and to deliver the quality product. The main objective is to deliver the quality product and to make sure that end results meet the requirement. So this is the main purpose of the testing. Main purpose is to deliver the quality product, to minimize the risk failure, and to improve the cost of quality. So to make the quality product, much more cost is needed. So through testing we can reduce the cost. Actually, we can find out the number of bugs at early stage, and then it can be removed so that cost of quality can be reduced. So this is about the role and objective. Now let us discuss the myths and facts. So first myth is testing is not a quality job. Testing is not quality job, which is the biggest myth, but actually is. Through testing we have to find out the mistakes, and finding the mistake require a lot of intelligence. So testing is very interesting and require more intelligence. So this is the biggest myth, and people should remove this myth from their mind. Then next is quality control is equal to testing. But the fact is, testing is a part of quality control. There are a lot of things which are part of quality control. So testing is one of the part of testing is a component of quality control. Then next is the objective of the testing is 100% defect free product. Then people think that through testing 100% defects can be removed, but in actual no product is 100% perfect. There are always errors, but through testing we can achieve perfection. But again, we can remove as much as number of bugs, but removal of 100% bugs is not possible. Testing is easy. Another myth is testing is easy, but to perform the testing require complete domain knowledge. So if you are performing testing of any banking software, then you will require the knowledge of banking terms. If you are doing the testing of insurance product or insurance software, then you will require the knowledge of insurance domain. So that's why it can be more difficult and sometimes tough than coding, because it requires a lot of domain knowledge. Then next is anyone can test. This is the again myth, but the fact is testing requires skill and complete domain knowledge. So anyone cannot test. Suppose if you are doing automation testing, then you have to write the script, that also require programming knowledge. And if you are doing manual testing, again you will require the domain knowledge. So this is again biggest myth. Next myth is automation testing eliminates the need of manual testing. Automation testing cannot replace manual testing. 100% automation testing is not possible. There are some situations where manual testing is very much necessary. So again, this is the myth. When defects slip, is it the fault of tester? Means if there is a defect in the product, then it is the responsibility of tester. Actually, it is the responsibility of all the stakeholder of organization. The stakeholder means management, developer, tester, all are equally responsible for defective product. So this is about the myths and facts about the software testing. That's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.